Hey guys, good morning. We are in Del Rio, Texas at the Amistad International Reservoir. Sun is coming up, as you can see behind me. It's one of these places we've driven through here before, and I thought it was beautiful, and I wanted to get here overnight so we could do sunrise. I've got the drone out. This is gonna be a blast.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Well, we got some great drone footage. Did catch the sunrise. Was really happy about that. Oh man, that's what I wanted to get. Oh, I wanted to get the train so bad. Crap. Well, made it to my delivery about an hour early, and good news, they are ready to go. But I got a truck in the dock, so just waiting for him to unload. As soon as he does, I'm in there, and they got my return trip loaded on the truck right next to where I'm pulling in. So unload, load, and out of here back to LA. So just waiting for him to move, and then I'll be on my way. Driving along, saw a sign for a picnic area and decided to stop and take my 30. Took my 30 over here at the Pecos River. Beautiful little area. Got the truck behind me, and this is the view. Pretty nice. Like it. I think I'm gonna have to fly the drone. It's a little windy, but I think it's okay. Guess we'll find out. Headed back to Cali. Still looking to try to get a load. If we can't get a load, well, we'll see what happens. Let's fly the drone.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fed.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope that you found some information that you could use. If you're interested in more videos like this, check out this video right here. And if you're interested in expediting or trucking, or you have any questions, make sure you check out the link below.